The world benefits when we help the less privileged people. This is why Banja Restoration Mission, a non-profit organization, is determined to reduce the number of children living on the streets, known as street kids. The organization has an aim to provide food, shelter, and education. On 24th of June 2023, Banja Restoration Mission had a feeding program in Lusaka where the children on the streets had access to food and interacted with counselors who explained to them that they have so much value and impact in society. The president for the organization, Mr. Hendrix Mumba, stated that oftentimes we live busy lives and forget the empty voids that is in the hearts of orphans living in the streets. And these orphans are subjected to psychological problems such as depression, anger, and feeling of sadness. Hence, his organization wants to build a transition home for the children on the streets so that they can be empowered with skills and education that will help them with their daily lives. Mr. Mumba had this to say.
So we formed a company, an organization called BAREMI. BAREMI is a non-profit organization established here in 2023 in Zambia with the vision of helping orphans and vulnerable kids with education, food, and shelter. Right now we have a school in Garden House. We have about 45, almost 50 now, whom we are giving free education. But we have seen the need is so much. There's so many of them in the street that needs help. So as BAREMI, we are trying to help reduce that statistics through education, food, and shelter. Our vision is to have a transition home from 1 to 6 months, from 6 months to 1 year. So we come here, we establish relationship with them. Some of them, as you can see, they have recognized us, and we are talking to them. And those who have proven to be good, we take them to the transition home. And there we have the counselor, the chief counselor here. We counsel them.
Our vision is to capture some of these children, prepare them, the transition home, and then take them to schools, and then place them in foster homes. We don't want orphanages. We need foster homes where they can grow up with family values, and not no stigmas. So that's what we intend to do.
The organization was also blessed with a word of prayer from one of the people on the streets, and some kids on the streets thanked the organization for the good gesture they received because they felt so much loved and appreciated.
In the mighty name of Jesus, in the mighty name of Jesus, mwelesa pareni bonse n'ababasa n'ekyakulya totwakibaba kwenekera mwelesa twalaliyako ekyakulya mwelesa ekyakulya kyenu kyabupashi mwelesa
sikomo banje papa kude panimotirekerako batangizako chikonishani sitezoziva neverere ungatanizireko mubaso
insala pamala nito alebwa ule sasa jedi kushane bawo bengani boza kwa ule sasa je kushane bawo bengani boza kwali basweti after sweet futi funsa ngati ne boza no ikadila fyokuno waza bana bajedile nsala faza kuyabomba komo ada obuchushi mune kuyagada omuchishi tupelo ukwata chiradeka denga kapwa kushenishinga mane ukwata na wadezi nsala joku kuwafilwa no kushita so.
It is our responsibility to take care of the less privileged people. It is never too late. We can turn tragedy into triumph and help the people on the streets.